What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you 5 different websites that you can use to make money online. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So making money online is a hell of a lot easier than it was 5 years ago, and there's so many different ways that you can actually do that or make money. Now I'm going to show you 5 websites that you can use, and it's really easy to get started. So the first one is eBay. Yep, eBay. Most people have an eBay account and a PayPal account, so you can start this right away. Well, how do you make money with eBay? Well, you have to be selling something on there. That's how you make the money. But what could you sell? Well, there's multiple things that you could do with eBay. You could go around your house, find the old crap that you don't want anymore, start selling that to make some money, or you could do eBay dropshipping. Whether you use a wholesaler or retailers, you can do dropshipping. So what does that mean? It means you can find products, source products somewhere else, then list that product on eBay, and every time it sells, you take that money directly from your PayPal, go and buy the product and have it shipped directly to your customer. That's dropshipping. If you're interested in dropshipping, then check out some videos on my channel. I have quite a lot about that, and it could really help you out. Now, the second way is Amazon. Yep, Amazon. Now, there's so many different ways that you can make money just with Amazon. You can be an affiliate, sell any product on there. You could do Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. So you source products from China, get them shipped to an Amazon warehouse, then every time it sells, Amazon's going to ship that product for you. You could do Kindle Direct Publishing. You could do selling low content books. Now with low content books, that's the easiest business that you can start on Amazon because you can do it for free. So what do I mean by a low content book? Well, I mean a sketchbook, a notebook, a journal, a planner. So you create the interior of that book, which you can do for free. Then you create the cover, you upload it to Amazon, then every time it sells, Amazon will take care of everything and send you royalties. So this is a pretty passive business model, and this is what I do. Now these are my sales from my low content books. If you're interested in how I do this, then check out the link in the description below to Printing Profits. That's my course on how to do all of this. Or you can join the Stackers Inner Circle. That's in the description below as well. And you can learn how to create the cover. And I give you some free interiors just here in the file section that you can start straight away just here. So if you're interested, come through and join the Stackers Inner Circle. Now the third way is using Fiverr. Now with Fiverr you can sell literally any kind of service on here. So if we take a look at the categories, browse categories, and if we go to fun and lifestyle, scroll down, you could give relationship advice, health and nutrition, astrology and readings, spiritual and healing, gaming, your message on. So let's take a look at this. And as you can see, there's some pretty crazy stuff. I'm sure you wouldn't do that, I don't know, but you can deliver your video message as a gay guy. Very interesting. You could do this one or similar, where I will deliver an exclusive message as a boatman. So even if you haven't got any skills, you could do something quite funny like this and make money that way. This would be really easy to do as well. I mean, look at this one. I will have Jesus personally deliver your video message. So what you can do is just come over to Fiverr, browse the categories and find something that you could sell. So as you can see, they're selling these messages for like £8, £8, £4, £8, and these types of messages wouldn't even take that long to do. Pretty crazy. I bet you didn't even realise you could sell stuff like this on Fiverr. Now, the fourth way is Facebook. So, with Facebook, they do have a marketplace. So you could scour this marketplace for free items or really cheap items. And then what you could do is go and grab that item. You will have to go and collect it. But then you could flip the items that you find on the marketplace over on eBay. Really simple. Takes a little bit more work, but a great way to make money. A great way to make some extra side income. So what you can do, I'm presuming you do have Facebook, you can go on here, scour the marketplace and see what's free or really cheap and see if you could flip that somewhere like eBay. So come through and have a look on the Facebook marketplace. Now the fifth and last website that you can use is Warrior Plus. Now this is an affiliate marketplace. So everyone knows ClickBank. Some people have heard of JVZoo. Well, this is Warrior Plus. Let's get rid of those messages. So with Warrior Plus, you become an affiliate for someone. So, or for a product. And with Warrior Plus, they send you your earnings directly to your PayPal. Now, if we go to the marketplace, we can have a look at the top products, which we can now see the top 10 products for the day, which are here. So if you've been thinking about doing affiliate marketing, but didn't know what network to use, come and check out Warrior Plus. And like I said, the good thing about Warrior Plus is that they send you your commissions directly to your PayPal. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.